In today's video, I'm going to give you an update about Kolobok Adventures, and I'm going to answer all of the questions that you have into this game, if this is still worth it, if this game is dead, and we will tackle everything into this video right here. But first, before we start, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. As you can see here, I do have 10,093 subscribers, and a really big thank you for that. So please help me reach 15,000 subscribers, because I'm going to give my 15,000 subscriber a mystery box worth more than $100. So please subscribe and help me out onto uh, being able to reach out to more players as well. So let's go back to Koloboks. Okay, so as you can see here, I do have two Koloboks that are alive. However, there are more than 12, 13 Koloboks that have been dead, okay, for the past couple of days and weeks. And why is that? Okay, I'm going to um, explain to you why it is dead. If you are playing an adventures on this onto this part right here and you failed, okay, let's say you lost, automatically the Koloboks that you've put into that adventure will be dead. Okay, the good news here is you can revive this Koloboks that you have for around 1,000 K bucks. Okay, so for you to compute the 1,000 K bucks, just go into this part right here. So you can check, okay, how much 1,000 K buck worth by via checking it here. So you can just use the swap function and K bucks, type the K bucks. Okay, so so you need at least 5 watts, 4.7 watts to revive that Kolobok. Okay, but if you're going to see here, every wax, okay, is cost around $0.26. So probably you might actually use this one either in our planet, okay, or some games that are pretty much worth it. Because if you're going to see into the cards that I have right here, okay, I'm going to show to you my our planet. Okay, I do have a lot of Kolobok cards here. I do have 12 cards, but okay, the more Kolobok cards being put inside this platform, the lesser share, the lesser Ether per hour you can get. And if you're going to look into this part right here, there are more than 1.6 million Kolobok Kolobok cards being put inside this platform. So if you're going to ask me about the staking part of Koloboks in our planet, I will probably say it is not really worth it. Okay. However, in terms of gameplay, okay, they've added this new feature right here, which you can put your Kolobok into the beauty contest, and of course, there's some judges score right here, which of course you can win. You can win, I think, a K bucks on this part right here. So 15,000 K bucks is more like, I'm not really sure. Um, I think 15,000 K bucks is around 70 watts, right? It is 70 watts. Okay, so if you really want to try your luck into the totally fair beauty contest, then you can actually put your Kolobok into this beauty pageant. So in terms of breeding, it is still the same, but I mean, if you're going to buy a lower gen family of every Kolobok, it is not really worth it. It is because if you go on into the adventures, and you have a really high chance that it will lose. So let's say you've bought something like a Kolobok for 5 bucks, okay, and then you put it into the adventure. So when you put it into adventure, let's say that Kolobok lost, okay. So what will happen here is you didn't get any from that adventure. You just lost 5 watts, okay. So I'm just going to make it clear for you, okay. But if you win into that adventure, and let's say you are having you are putting your Kolobok into adventure, maybe a fox, okay. So maybe your Koloboks is better than me. You have a risk for around 40%, 50%, and you want to gamble on that one. then maybe you call you put your Koloboks into that risky adventure. So what will happen here is if you win, okay, you get something, maybe a rare card, okay, and a rare card or an epic card is 1.07 Ether per hour. So if you're going to check this one, okay, it is not really worth it. It is because uh, if you're going to buy a pretty much better card to be able to put it into adventure wherein you can get a better item, probably it will cost you around 50 watts, maybe 60 watts, maybe 70 watts, maybe 100 watts, okay, who knows. So if you're just going to use that watts, okay, just to buy maybe another NFT that are pretty much better better Ether mining rate, then probably you might get pretty much better ROI on that. Maybe you can get your ROI in 4 months or 5 months. But into this game right here, if you're looking just to play this game and just take everything inside the R planet, you want to do that strategy, it is not working anymore. So I just want to make it clear for you guys on this one. So for the question if this game is dead, I don't think it is dead. For those people that are just want to make or who just want to abuse the the cards and just put it into the R planet, then probably they can think that it is dead. But if you're just here for the fun, if you're just here to play this game, you actually enjoy this game, this is not dead at all, because I think they are still creating a lot of improvements onto this website, or okay, to this game right here. So I just only saw this contest right now, and I think maybe you can probably win into this beauty contest, and you can just focus on breeding your breeding your Kolobok, and just go put it in all in the beauty contest. So that's also a possibility. But in terms of breeding, maybe I'm not really playing it that intelligently. But if you're going to see into my RIP, okay, I'm going to show to you my RIP items. Okay, this breeding right here. Okay, this Koloboks right here. Okay, I just launched this one into adventure wherein it has a really minimal risk, okay? Like 20%. And even on that risk, it can't even win a single adventure. So that's pretty much bad, okay? And maybe the one thing here is the speed, okay? One thing that makes me lose the adventures is the speed. But overall, I mean, this is not really that good for those people that are trying to play this game for pretty much a long time. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Okay, as you can see here, I do have 12 card stake with around 7 8 per hour, which is pretty much worth it. And I've spent more than I'm not sure, 70 watts, okay, onto this game. And I'm not really getting that much onto this game as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. So if in my opinion, okay, if you're going to ask me, okay, I'm just going to focus on the games that are pretty much benefiting me better, okay. But if you just really want to play this game, you pretty much like the graphics, you like how the game works, okay, you just like everything into this game, just don't expect to make a lot of money onto this game as well, because given the fact that there are a lot of cards stake in our planet, and the K-box price is pretty much low, then probably you're not going to make really decent amount of money. So you might be lucky if you're going to make around $5, $10. But if in terms of maybe making a living onto this game, I think it's not going to happen. Okay, so that is it again for this video, guys. Please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here, and I'm giving away our 15,000 subscriber a special mystery box, free delivery charge. Okay, just please support me as well, and see you on my next video.